Welcome to Trade Doc Theta Options Trader, where we recap today's close, look at the futures, scan through our ETF watch list to spot opportunity. Today is Thursday, November 10th, 2016, and the market's closed. Sorry about that, I was just looking at it. But the market's closed pretty mixed. That Hong Kong zone down. Market, the Dow was up 220 points, the Nasdaq down about 50, and the S&P pretty much unchanged. Pretty mixed bag. Let's take a look at the futures. All the majors are down, with the Russell pretty much unchanged. Bonds are down. The VIX is up to 15.5. Crude to 44.30. Gold is down to 12.50. Copper, there's a lot of red here today. The British pound popped up to 125.5 and a half, and the euro's down to 109. Take a look at the charts. I haven't seen them. Here's crude, and crude looks like it's starting to stabilize. His support is 993. Oil explorers are a little bearish on there. A bearish a sell signal, so expect this to move down just because it's right here on that support. Natural gas had a little bit of a pop up and actually found support, so here is our last buy signal for natural gas right there. And since I'm down on my position, I'm averaging down with this last buy signal. So here is a chart of natural gas, really hanging on to support here. It's gold. It looks like it touched support at 119.50. Should be seeing a stabilization trading here. We're still long gold. Gold miners just broke it to resistance and it's working its way down. We had a buy on it. We're still long on it a little bit. This silver looks like it popped up above its range, now trading above, so we might have another buy pretty soon on silver. Financials, big pop, big blast up. So there, where when it did, we were fine on a position when it break here, and he said if it does cross this level of 1995, we have to take our losses, and we did. And then it looks like we were actually right on the position where mega long might let expire. Utilities were down as expected. They're going to be trading down that channel. Here's the industrials, and they're way up to oversold, so this is going to be a sell. Yeah, we don't have no sell signal yet, but I'm sure it'll pop out tomorrow. This is material sector, popped out the range, and it looks like this is the new support level here. So new support level around here for a while. So we'll see if it breaks below this range, then we'll go short on it. No sell on it yet. Here we're actually still long. We took profits on like 3 positions. We still have one, so we may hold this one for a while or sell it and reverse on it. Is real estate. Looks like it's coming down, and there is a reason why real estate's going down. Home builders, they're getting funded from the free money, and the home builders shows because it's up. I mean, everything that's traded on the market is traded with free money. It's not my money because my money wasn't for free. So here's the range. So home builder is gonna be sticking around for a while, trading sideways. So this buy signal, we're gonna keep that on. Retail is big blast today, and I don't know what Groupon did, but they probably did something similar to that. Like I said, as it was moving down, I said it was a holiday season. You know, we did go short, but we took our profits here. And now look, boom, we should have just reversed it. I gotta learn to just reverse. Here's the SPYs, and today it looks like they're up into overnight. They opened big range the first half of the day, closed in the big range now since we are short the S&P. And you see this resistance level, they never closed above that. This was this morning. In the afternoon they closed above it, you could say, but by the end of the day they're under it. So as much as it hurts me, this is another sell signal. So now we're like full boat short on the SPYs, and you can see why. The Dow is a different story, but we are going short on that as well, shorting everything. The Qs, we already are right there in this range, trading this range. Qs were the weakest of them all. And we are short IWM. That a lot of volatility is emerging markets. It's actually trading well below where we expected it. I thought it was going to be holding right here, but it's way down here. But emerging markets could be ready to get a buy signal pretty soon. Just throw this here, see where it brings us. Yeah, so that is resistance. And Japan looks like they're not moving up, just stabilizing. China was down about 1% today, but they should be stabilizing. We're still a little bit long China. India, we haven't gotten long yet, and that's because it broke trend today. So we could see this keep on moving down. Yeah. So this is what the long 180 day looks like. It looks like it's breaking trend pretty good, and this is a lot of volume. So looking kind of scary for India. Russia, we shorted them, came right back down. So Russia looks like it's going to trade right there for a while. Euros coming down. The British pound is working its way up to our target zone. Right here is where we take our profits. We're almost there. The dollar is strengthened, but I see that coming down again. And the bonds, they traded down another 1.5%, so that's deep. That is a signal that the market could reverse at any moment right now. And here's the VIX. The VIX has been very good to us, and they've been lucky. Right now, long like a little bit of position, but we did take profits from here to here. So like when it opened up right after elections in that morning, it was just like bam, we took the profits, we were out. But we still have a fifth, 1/5 of the amount for the VIX. So we're like in deltas, we're probably like 20 deltas, and you know the max deltas are like 60. I like to get up to 60 deltas, so I can add up to 2 more positions on it. Same, but the VIX, I see it being bullish coming up now, so maybe I should put a buy signal on here, and I will actually. If you don't mind, here's the last buy. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.